Buying the smallest travel stroller can create daily frustration. The wrong age setup, fold, or wheels will matter long after your vacation ends. Start with age, then match storage and terrain. Step 1. Joolz Aer² 2 with cot. Need one travel setup from birth through the seated stage? I'd start here because the carrycot folds while attached, reducing the pieces you're juggling. It's manageable to lift with the carrycot, 18.7 pounds, then lighter in seat mode at 14.3 pounds. That combination suits flights, stairs, and trunks where every awkward lift gets old. But the handlebar doesn't adjust, so fit depends heavily on your height. It's also compact without being the smallest folded choice here. I'd skip it if you're very tall or storage space is your absolute priority. Step 2. Mompush Nexis Carbon Travel Stroller. This setup makes sense when newborn versatility and useful cargo space both matter. The included newborn carriage mode removes another early purchase, while overhead bin compatibility supports trips where cabin storage is available. Its basket handles 13.2 pounds, which leaves meaningful room for a diaper bag and travel extras. I'd choose it for families wanting practical capacity without moving into a basic umbrella format. But folding takes 2 steps before the stroller latch is closed. It's also not the least expensive choice here. So skip it if you won't use carriage mode or want the simplest possible fold. Step 3. Bugaboo Butterfly 2 Travel Stroller. Once you're beyond newborn carriage mode, toddler comfort becomes the bigger routine question. The seat provides 26.8 inches beneath the canopy, giving a growing child useful sitting space. Its reclined positions support naps, while the quick fold and accessible basket reduce travel day friction. I'd pick this for a toddler who'll spend real time riding between stops. Now the catch is the recline control. It can be difficult with your child seated, and returning upright may require taking them out. I'd skip it for newborn-focused shopping or frequent on-the-go recline changes. Step 4. Mamazing Air Lux Stroller with Bassinet. Think of this as the travel option for routines that still resemble everyday stroller use. You get a bassinet configuration, reversible seat, and adjustable handlebar instead of stripping everything back. The basket supports 30 pounds, making groceries and a packed diaper bag less of a storage puzzle. Spring-loaded 4-wheel suspension also suits sidewalks and bumpier everyday routes. I'd choose it when 2 caregivers need different handle heights. But its frame may feel thinner than a heavier stroller's frame. Skip it if you want a more substantial feel or only need occasional trip basics. Step 5. Mountain Buggy Nano Urban. Your route decides whether this stroller's extra configuration is useful or annoying. At 13.3 pounds, it's light enough for travel, but interchangeable wheel sets adapt it for different outings. The front wheels can lock for better control on uneven ground or use 360-degree swivel mode for tight city turns. I'd pick it for families alternating between smooth indoor spaces and moderately uneven pavement. However, swapping wheel setups creates another decision before leaving home. This still isn't a jogging or true all-terrain stroller. Skip it for mud, deep gravel, sand, or genuinely rough paths. Step 6. Ingenuity 3D Mini Convenience Stroller. Sometimes the right setup isn't your main stroller at all. This umbrella format fits quick errands, occasional gate checking, or backup duty in a car or caregiver's home. Its front wheels lock straight for uneven paths, then swivel for tighter indoor turns. I'd keep it for situations where simplicity matters more than a full feature set. But smaller wheels need a tip and push motion at curbs. Turning can also feel heavier with a 2YEAROLD aboard. So I wouldn't make this the everyday choice for rough routes, frequent curbs, or families wanting their travel stroller to do everything. Choose Joolz or Mompush for newborn versatility. Bugaboo centers the toddler stage, while Mamazing keeps daily use flexibility. Mountain Buggy suits changing pavement, and Ingenuity makes more sense as a simple spare. Before buying, confirm age fit, folded storage, handle height, basket needs, and your usual terrain. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd build around your hardest weekly routine, not one vacation. Start newborn ready if needed, switch toward toddler comfort later, and keep the umbrella option for backup duty. Links are in the description.